stopped getting waste. We spoke to one of the local who is using this water from past 8 days.
नहा रहे थे ना, तो ये पानी किसका है?
मालूम नहीं, ये TWD का है पानी।
PWD का। कितना दिन से बह रहा है इधर ऐसा?
कम से कम अभी कितना, एक हफ्ता हो।
एक हफ्ते से बह रहा है। आप यहाँ पे रोज आके नहाते हैं?
हाँ, रोज आते।
However, the technical assistant of PWD, Anand Vagumekar, says that locals open the valve and waste water.
ते लोक भोवपी आसता भुरगे, ते केन्नाय मदीं मदीं ते ओपन करता आनी थंयसर ते लोकां फोडटा आनी ते न्हावपा खातीर करता. पण तुवें म्हटल्यार अशें तुवें आमच्या निदर्शनाक हाडल्या नंतर आमी रोखडेच ते आतां इमिजिएटली तो बंद करता आनी ते लॉक मारता. ते लोक ते हे आसा पळय ते लोकल्स केन्ना केन्ना मदीं ते आतां हें करता, पर्पजली करता ते.
तुमचे सुपरवायझर थंय विजीट दिना कित्याक आतां लास्ट 8 दीस जाले खंय उदक व्हांवता. तुमचो सुपरवायझर बीन आसा
ती हें पळयना. तो दुसरो आमचो इंजिनियर कन्सर्न आसा तो पळयता की आमी ते रोखडे रिपेर करपाचें हें करता.
Our reporter from Bayana, Surendra Madkaikar.
We will take a short break, watch sports news and boy trapped in a car when we come back. The newly appointed coach of Goa Cricket Association, Rajesh Kamath, on Saturday held his first interaction with the State Ranji and Under-25 cricketers at Indoor Cricket Stadium at Porvorim.
The former Karnataka player and coach, Kamath, has joined State Cricket Association on a 2-year contract. He has now formally begun a task of raising standard of Goan cricket.
First time I am meeting some of them, and we had a great time. Basically it was about knowing each other, telling them what I expect from them and asking them what they expect from me. And it was a free and frank discussion. I think we have set a right tone for the coming season, I think, by having a fair discussion so that we take off from Monday. I think we didn't discuss as much as the game specifics. We discussed mainly about the team ethics, the team spirit and the general things. What we need to do to go up, raise our levels. It is more of general things rather than any specific thing which I will be discussing with them as we go along.
Kamath has put forth his concept of what the boys must do to raise their level.
Yeah, I said that I've seen these boys as a group when they are from a young age, and I always felt that this group which is playing now for the state and which are doing well, last season they have entered the semi-finals. I believe that one day they will reach that level because this batch looks focused. And I said I want these boys to raise that level and probably go into the elite in the next 2 years and probably see one of them playing for India. And I told them that it will make a lot of difference to go on cricket. That's what I wanted to put them ahead. But I told them also that it's not that easy. They need to work very hard, be more consistent in what they do, and that takes I mean, it's easy discussing that, but we need to work on that area the next 3 months. That's what I was telling them.
Our principal correspondent Murari Shetye with video journalist Ravindra Dalvi for Prudent Media.
The valedictory function of the D license course for football coaches was held at Tilak Stadium at Vasco on Saturday. The Goa Football Association had organized this program. The course was conducted by AFC instructor and Dempo Sports Club coach Armand Colasso.
Certificates and jerseys were awarded to the 34 participants. The Secretary of Goa Football Association Savio Messias, instructor Armand Colasso, Peter Wallace and Arjuna awardee Brahmanand Shankwalkar were present for the function.
It pertains to us football coaches, and that's why what you can become as a football coach, what you can do as a football coach is more important. Not money, not certificates. I've been hampering on this issue. That what you are, what you can do to the child to bring up the name of football, of Goa and of course of India is more important. JFA is striving hard.
I would like you all now after this course to go back to your villages and do some coaching. It does not end with this certificate. These camps of 15 days and 21 days do not fetch much results. So I request you in your villages form small groups and do coaching throughout the year. You can't learn a guitar, you can't learn any instrument in just 10 days or 15 days. You can't get a degree by just studying for a few days. It has to be efforts put around the year. Today I'm ashamed to say that in many villages, they are famous villages who are doing very well in football, they are not doing well.
The privilege to get knowledge from Peter Wallace, senior coach right here, from day one to Mariano Dias. It was a good experience. Of course, Arman Colasso gave a lot of time and he did come, though from my side I was a little scared when I used to see him because he was always very strict and he just meant business. But that's the way you got to be as a coach. Finally, what matters is results. From the field, learning to some techniques and basic of football that is important for all of us, which was covered.
A reporter from Vasco, Surendra Madkaikar.
If you were 2 years old and trapped in a car for almost 2 hours, what would you do? Well, I don't know about you, but this 2-year-old kid is enjoying his cheese and trying to start the car while he is trapped in a car for almost 2 hours. Well, I take your leave with these moments of a brave boy who was captured by our video journalist Yeshwant Parab.